Okay, good morning. I'll be cleaning this one here, cleaning it physically, and I will try to make the connections as neat as possible. Okay, guys, this is a combination of baking soda and vinegar. This is an amplifier. I haven't used this one for a long time, and I want to maintain the cleanliness. This is a combination. I wipe this one with the combination of baking soda and vinegar. And so with the body, you cannot just clean this one with clove, with water. It doesn't resolve the sticky part, because I haven't used this one for a long time. combinations, just make sure we remove, we remove that sticky thing that's coming out, you know. And so with the bottom torsion, then I'll try to wipe this one. Okay. I wipe it dry. Wipe it dry. And the cable, I try to wipe this one also. Because this one got unsticky thing. Even the plug got some dirt. Okay. The good thing about this is that when I try to use this one, I make sure this that this wire here is not too long, okay? So it will look good if you try to plug in on the output. That's why I always do it like this, you know. I use a brush to scratch the part which could not be penetrated by the cloth here. Then I try to wipe this one again. This one is also merged with the combination of baking soda and vinegar. So if I try to do like this, of course you are cleaning the part. I think that is done. This is a Clark alarm with the radio. Okay. I want to clean the face of this one. Then the top portion, the wood portion is okay. I'll try to brush the in-between thing because there are embedded dirt over here. If we try to hide this one in rocks for a long time, dirt could accommodate. even to this side here, I will brush it with a combination of baking soda and vinegar. It looks clean. Looks good. This plastic portion here, there's a dirt which is sticky. They look clean now. Okay. Good morning from Los Angeles. This is Professor David J. Dultres. I just have cleaned this one with a combination of baking soda and vinegar. So it looks clean. I make the cable a little bit short, a little bit short, a little bit. So when I plug in, there will be dangling cables. Good morning from Los Angeles. Professor David.